Well, we thought it's time for a bit of an update. You might have noticed that there haven't been any videos being loaded recently, and there's been a really good reason for it. So Rosie, the Ducati, and Scott had a bit of an accident. Rosie's gone to Ducati heaven, but Scott didn't, luckily. He had a lot of injuries and it's been a long time recovering. So it's been 2 months now and it's still a long road to come. But we're going to do something special this morning. He's had the injuries, things like, having his hair cut or having a shave have been a little bit difficult. So we're going to head out today. But I'll give you a quick look at Scott so that you can see the before and let him say hi, and then we'll do some afters.
This has been my seat and my spot for the last 8 weeks. And yeah, it's time for a shave and a haircut and a tidy up. And I've got to get out, otherwise I'm going to go insane. Yeah, tidy it all up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How do you like to wear it usually?
Short sides and short back, and not looking like an old man that's trying to keep his hair.
Great. Well, you've got plenty of hair, so you don't need to look like you're trying to keep it.
Yeah, so most of it just gets combed back.
Okay, sweet. And in terms of short back and sides, how short are you talking? Like clippers or scissors?
Clippers.
Okay.
Yeah.
You may have noticed I've got quite a few frogs in here, which is unintentional.
Yeah.
And then a lot of my clients pointed out, you've got a lot of frogs in the shop. And I was like, I only noticed my favourite frog is this one up over here. So if you look on the back side of it, it's got like a tiny little one, I don't know, tiny little frog put on.
Yeah.
I've got 7 of those little frogs hidden in the shop. Everyone spots them throughout their haircut and everything. And then even like my older clients, a lot of them won't leave until they find them all.
And the Arktic Barber name?
Yeah, so there's 2 reasons. Number 1, it's freezing cold down here. Second one is like Noah's Ark, that's why it's misspelled. So like I'm Noah, and then yeah, I always want to have a business that kind of refers to that. Well, Arctic kind of has 2 meanings in one, so kind of fits well. Trim goatee.
Yep.
We'll just make it.
Tidy.
Yeah, you gotta do the length there. So we'll get rid of those loosey goosies.
Yeah, and not so much Colonel Sanders.
Right.
How's it feel being pampered?
I don't know if I call it pampered.
Well,
Yeah.
you wait. we haven't even started the pampering yet.
Yeah.
You get a facial massage as well, just saying that.
Oh, look out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mix it in.
Yep.
You want to do it till there's no clumps in
Yep.
your hair. First thing you do, you go absolutely everywhere except for where you want it to go.
Yep.
Because that will make it last longer. You just go crazy, give it a couple of scrunches. And then once it's in, then you work it back the way you want it to go. Like this. Look at $1 million now. We got Mr. Hollywood in the chair.
Just got to work on the rest of it.